The Dolplets Cordless Pool Vacuum is engineered with a 40-watt motor, providing robust suction power of up to 26.5 gallons per minute, making it effective for cleaning sand, leaves, and dirt from pools. Its dual cleaning head design allows users to switch between capturing large debris with a wide suction port or attaching the vacuum head for fine particles, ensuring versatility across different pool types. The adjustable telescopic pole, extendable from 3.15 feet to 7 feet, offers convenience for both handheld and full pool cleaning, making it suitable for above-ground and in-ground pools. With 2 filtration choices, this vacuum includes a screen for large debris and filter bags for fine particles, accommodating a thorough cleaning process. A remarkable feature is its 60-minute runtime on a single charge, with an LED indicator to monitor the vacuum's operational status, enhancing user confidence and ease of use. Its lightweight and portable design, paired with its powerful cleaning capabilities, makes it an excellent choice for maintaining both hot tubs and spas.